So, so me and Julie in here at night. Stop. And this is why does she have leftovers from literally every single night that we've had dinner here so far? It's one piece of gluten-free pizza. I don't know what this is. What is this?
Salmon, avocado toast.
Salmon, avocado toast from breakfast. This is sushi from dinner 2 days ago. These are lobster rolls from the day before that. Why you got something here every night?
David, it's such a long explanation. Half of that food is not mine.
It is.
No,
You took it?
I didn't order the sushi. The family that hosted us just.
Julie walked out with a bag with four. It was the biggest.
I didn't want to. It was a lot of food. I didn't want to take it, but it was kind of rude of me to say no.
And now it's all in here. She got, and meanwhile, I'm about to eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Because we got bread and cheese, but we ain't got no condiments. No mayonnaise. She told me to eat it dry.
You should eat it. It's not even eating it dry. If you put the sandwich together, you would appreciate it. It's like college style.
I'm so far from college style. I love just because you put a word on something and that's supposed to make me go, oh, college style.
No, just.
Oh, you should have said it's college style. Now that make it all better. This dry ass bread with no mayonnaise, no nothing. I'm supposed to have cheese, meat, and bread like I'm doing time. I'm not.
It's not even hard knocks. If you put the sandwich together, you cut it in half and into little triangles.
Nobody's doing none of that. I'm about to eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich because that's all I got because I don't want any of this sushi and lobster and nobody wants all. It's too much. And don't none of that shit match. It's just no. That sounds like a bellyache. I'm gonna just
Okay. Peanut butter and jelly. Okay, you're fine.
That's how long we've been together. Peanut butter and jelly tapped me on the back and walked off. Don't get yourself one of these things they call a wife. It ain't for the weak.